So listen, exercise 5.1, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at. So quadrilateral means we are having the four sides, so 4 point is given here. So given point A, B, C, D. So before that what we have to do, we have to draw the graph first. Because in triangle means three sides we are having, so any side we take A, B and C. But in quadrilateral we have to mention which one is A, B, C, D, like that, right? So how we have to draw the graph? In examination also we have to roughly draw the graph, that is enough for the examination, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, we have to draw the graph roughly, that is enough for the examination point of view also. In examination, in pen or pencil, roughly you do the graph. No need to accurate value. So why you have to draw means, this point will be lies in the, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In which quadrant the point will be lies, which quadrant the point will be lies in the graph. So that one we need to find. So minus 9 comma 0, minus 9 means x axis, nearly minus 5, minus 6, 7, 8 means here. Minus 9 will be here. Minus 9 comma 0. So here one point. Then minus 8 comma 6. Minus 8 where? Nearly here minus 9 means minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So minus 8 comma 6. 6 in the y axis. So 5, 6. So minus 8, 6 will be here. Minus 8 comma 6. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2 here. So just you write here minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 6 comma minus 3. Minus 6 will be here. Minus 6 comma minus 3. So this is minus 2 point here. That is enough, right? So we draw one quadrilateral. So examination also, no need the number also, just to draw the graph for your reference only. We need to draw this graph. So rough work only, no problem. So I take the point A, B, C, D. Suppose you take A means here A, B, C, D. Like that you have to take. Listen. So you have to take in the anti-clockwise direction always. So suppose you take A means A, B, C, D. Like that we have to take. So A is what? Minus 1 comma minus 2. So A, let the vertices are A of minus 1 comma minus 2, B minus 8 comma 6, C minus 9 comma 0, D minus 6 comma minus 3. Like that we have to draw the graph. So Now, area of the quadrilateral A B C D equal to 1 by 2. The same thing. Triangle means we are having the 3 points. Quadrilateral means we are having the 4 points. So just to write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, remaining x1, y1. Like this we have to write. So this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, x4 comma y4. So straight we write the formulas. So here what I am doing, this equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 8 comma 6, minus 8 comma 6, minus 9 0, minus 6 minus 3, again minus 1 minus 2, right? This equal to minus 1 into 6 minus 6, minus 8 into 0 0, minus 9 into minus 3 plus 27, minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. Close the bracket. So and then put minus 2 into minus 8, 16, 6 into minus 9, minus 54, 0 into anything, 0, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3. This equal to 1 by 2, 27 plus 12, 39, 39 minus 6, 33, minus 16 plus 3, 19, 19, 14, what is answer? 5, 3, 35 is the answer. So what answer? Minus 35. 16 plus 3, 19, 19 minus 54, minus 35. This equal to 33, minus we take inside means plus 35. This equal to 33 plus 5, 8, 6. So 1 by 2 into 68, 34, we are having 34 square units is the answer for this sum, right? So clear. Area of the triangle means the same thing. We have to write up to x3, x1, y1. Quadrilateral means we have to write the 4 points and then first term is what? x1 comma y1. That one we have to write. The same method. This is asked in the 5 mark question. Very